what is obtainable as in the act for now. I think we need to start to looking at it in a more practical and more efficient manner. So I think those discussions need to be held. The power company in NNPC is looking at the IPPs, and I think this will also be shared with them to have some further engagement.
Issued by the Presidential Task Force in 2010, it established that the impact of the power deficit to our GDP at that time was estimated at about $130 billion US. Today, 10 years afterwards, if you look at the growth we have had, that deficit to the GDP could arguably be double what was estimated in 2010. Just by unlocking the power potential arising from AKK investments, could add so much in terms of GDP to our economy, meaning more job, more wealth, and better quality of life for our people. And as Prof said, hopefully we begin to snuff out the incentive for banditry and some extremist behavior that the government is confronting today by way of security challenge. For us, as OISAV and as member of our consortium, together with others that are entrusted with the care of delivering this infrastructure, we count it a real privilege to contribute our quota to national development, and we will work with everybody to make sure that this happens in a way that meets the yearnings and aspirations of every Nigerian. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Engineer Falade. Engineer Omar Gwandu, your closing remarks. 1 minute.
Well, I think what I will say, the only project they've delivered, I believe that will transform the entire country, they transform the gas market and the economy in general. I think it's one of the
not where we are today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Alhaji Salami, if you're there, it's your turn.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Thank you.
Closing and final thoughts.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Daniel. From our own perspective, there's no doubt that this AKK project is capital intensive in nature, and we would have loved, to have the participation of finance development institutions, because we from the private sector, we will need a special window of funding to access fund, to really play our role, as it were, in the successful execution of this AKK project. So we believe that in further engagement such as this, it will, I guess, it's necessary for us to also invite the participation of the banking sector, so that we can have together a synergy to deliver on this project.
Alhaji Kasali, your suggestion is very well taken. Final thoughts from Engineer Omotawa before we close.
Thank you very much, Daniel and Waluche. For putting together this program. the program. Is Daniel, you're frozen?
I think it's giving you extra time to do further wrap up.
Yeah, if you're connected, just enter. All right. Gentlemen of the panel, distinguished participants, I'm very happy, today we're able to have this discussion together. How I wish we have more time, to go on and on and on, on this topic. The amount of, interest we have received so far from the participants in terms of questions, they have sent in and comments is quite very encouraging. And that tells that people are really keen, about this project. People are yearning for this project. People really want this project, to succeed. To borrow from the word of Mr. President on the day he launched this project, I remember, he said, this project is very dear to us, and this project must succeed. I think Mr. President understands what he's saying, because of, if you look at the issue of unemployment in this country and, insecurity that is caused, by the unemployment, you will agree with me that really we need to push for this project. We need to pray for this project. We need to act and make sure that at the end of the day, we deliver this project and people benefit, from all the opportunities that are inbound into the project. My job now is to offer, the vote of thanks to, especially to our panelists that are here with us today. They have spent close to 3 hours with us, and that's quite a lot of time, they can give, despite the fact that they have a lot of pending issues, on their table in their various offices. Let me start with the Managing Director of the Nigerian Gas Company, Engineer Seyi Omotowa, who is standing in today for the NNPC, representing the Group Managing Director on this panel. We thank you very much, sir, for finding your time and, discussing with us today. We thank you very much, and we hope that in the future, when we invite you for such discussion, you will avail us your time. Thank you very much, sir. Also, I would like to thank Engineer Adegbite Faladi for your time. Since morning, you have been sitting in that very, very beautiful background that I'm seeing behind you there. We thank you very much for finding your time. Despite the short notice given to you, initially it was your CEO that we invited, and unfortunately we understand that he's somewhere, attending to some family issues, which made him to, send you, to represent him. We appreciate you being with us. We thank you very much. Also, I would like to send our appreciation to our father, our prof. Thank you very much, Professor Bogaji, for finding your time, to be with us today, and for all the insights you gave us concerning the issue of all the opportunities that are, present in this project. And just like you said, you are collaborating. Already we are aware that you have been having different kind of discussion on different forum with different stakeholders. We urge you to continue with that. And we wish you all the best. And also, I understand that you are training some technicians that are into welding of pipelines and some other things. We hope the Oil Serve and other companies in Nigeria too will be able to